Connecting Airtable to Webflow enables you to dynamically manage and update content on your Webflow site using Airtable as a backend. Here's how to connect the two platforms. Prepare your Airtable base. Log into Airtable and open the base containing the data you want to sync with Webflow. Ensure the base is structured with columns that match the content fields in Webflow. Log into Webflow. Open your Webflow project and navigate to the CMS collections. Set up collections that correspond to the data structure in your Airtable base. Use an integration tool. Use tools like Zapier, Make, or Parabola to create the connection between Airtable and Webflow. Set up automation. In your chosen integration tool, select Airtable as a trigger and choose the base and table to monitor for changes. Set Webflow as the action and choose a CMS collection where the data will sync. Map Airtable fields to corresponding Webflow CMS fields. Test the integration. Test the setup to ensure data flows correctly from Airtable to Webflow. Publish updates. Once confirmed, enable the automation to sync data regularly, keeping your Webflow site updated dynamically with Airtable data.